Welcome to Mortgage MarketSmart. In this video, we're going to focus on the Create a Report tile. So, from our dashboard, we're going to click Create a Report, and you'll notice that the wizard asks you at what level do you want to see this information. So let's get as granular as we can. I'm going to pick Census Tract. And then it's going to say, all right, well, either in which state or in which MSA or in which county. So I'm going to pick a specific market. So I'm going to click on MSA. And then from here, I'm going to type Dallas. And we're going to select Dallas-Fort Worth and click Next. And then it gives you an option to say, well, what kind of information do you want to see? Do you want to see demographics, mortgage opportunity reports, market and segment snapshots, housing equity reports? So this is where you pick what you'd like to see. I'm going to select mortgage opportunity report. And then by category, it's going to say, do you want to see all occupancy, or by borrower income, or by originations and opportunities by borrower segment? So here I'm going to select this one. I want to see by borrower segment. And then which segment specifically, Asian, African American, or Hispanic. And so I'm going to pick African American. And the date range it asks you. So I want to look at a from 2021 to 2024. And now I'm going to click Show Report. And so you'll notice that based on my answers, the map that this is drawing is a map of the Dallas market by census tracts. And right now I'm looking at the actual distribution, because this is 2021, so it's already happened, it's actual. The actual distribution of purchase loans for African Americans by census tract in the Dallas MSA. And what you'll notice, and you'll notice that I can zoom in and out by using the plus or minus. So I can zoom out here, and then I can zoom in by using the plus sign, or I can also use the shift. So hold down the shift key, then left mouse click and drag across to zoom in. Okay, but you'll also notice that we have this data layer, and what I'm going to do is just click on it, and what happens is that there's this drop down menu that appears. And so under theme, I'm going to look and notice that it says African American purchase loans, and the default here is 2021. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, hey, actually I want to see the forecast. So I'm going to change this to 2023 and hit apply. And now you'll notice that the legend also corresponds. So now we're looking at this forecast for African American borrowers by 2023. But that is essentially how you use the Create a Report tile in MarketSmart. Thanks for watching. See you next time.